Bybit will be launching a new token on their launch pool, and this is one of the best way to make money in crypto. And if you want to learn more about crypto, or you want to stay update on how to make money with crypto, make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn up your notification bell. Like this video so you can get more people and help my channel grow. So first thing you need to do is come to under trade and come to launch pool on your Bybit account, and it's going to show launch pool and earn new token by staking crypto on Bybit. So that's it. And the total price pool right here in USDC, they have raised this 36 million. Remember, where people are making money, you will see people are putting money there, and over 3 million people have already participated in this event and 37 projects. So people are making money with this kind of launch pool. So make sure you stick to the end of the video. I'm going to give you everything information you need to know how to make money with this process. So let's get into this video. So for this token right here, this token is a native liquidity up with a majority market share in both DEX and volume and TVL on this Blast network. So this event is going to last for 4 days right here. So staking period is going to start 21 of November to 10 o'clock each this time, and it's going to end 26 of November 10 o'clock each this time. So the price pool is going to be 10 million of this token, and you can go to their website to read more about this project. And the APY in this event is 187.92%, and the staking ends in 4 days, 21 hours and 30 minutes. We've already talked about that. And the listing is going to start in 5 days, 21 hour, 12 minutes and 50 seconds. So how will you be able to earn this token? Stake your MNT to earn more of THRUST token. That's 3 million of this token, and the same thing go with this USDT pool. And you can just press right here, register. So right here, I've successfully registered in this event. So right now, you can stake your token. You can press this claim stake to earn, and you'll be able to stake your USDT. Right here, if I press this right here, it's going to load up and it's going to ask me to input my USDT if I want to use USDT. I'm going to press the amount of USDT I want to stake, and I'll be able to press this. I've already confirmed and press this confirm only if you have a token to stake. So right here, this is the information you need to know about this event. And if you get value in this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn up your notification bell. I will see you on the next video.